Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Jeff. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng special ulam for dinner, sinigang na beef. Magpapakulo tayo ng water. Magad ng maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis, kaunting bawang, salt and pepper to taste, nagada ng kaunting star anise at 3 pirasong cloves at meron tayong pressure cooker para medyo matigas kasi yung beef dito, so kailangan natin ng pressure cooker. Daga din tayo ng ating slice of carrot and potato. Masarap talaga ito guys. At yung ating sinigang mix, i-add na rin natin. Meron pa tayong beef cubes. For gulay, meron tayong fresh cabbage and lettuce. Gawa tayo natin cold drinks, so refreshing avocado. Fresh avocado smoothie, nagad tayo ng ating cashew nuts, almonds, and pistachio nuts, counting raisin, honey, and fresh milk. Blend it well. Mag-ready tayo ng lagayan. At meron na tayong masarap na so refreshing, very healthy smoothie, fresh avocado with a variety of nuts. Meron pa tayong masarap hot beverage, yung ating apple tea with fresh mint leaves, yung ating fresh squeezed orange juice. Ready to serve ng ating food for masarap na dinner. Yung ating main dish, yung ating special sinigang beef with fresh gulay. Meron pa tayong yogurt. Kain tayo guys for masarap na dinner. Masustansya talaga ito at marami tayong makakain ito. Magluto tayo para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong masarap na special paksiw bisogo. Maraming sibuyas, loya, kaunting green chili. So yung ating slice of fresh bisogo, salt and pepper to taste. Meron tayong counting fish cubes and magic sarap, yung ating vinegar at counting water. Pretong fish, meron din tayo. Nilagyan ko ito ng all-purpose flour para hindi siya tatalsik pag nagpreto ako. At pag naluto na ating special paksiw na bisogo, ay i-add natin ang ating mga fresh gulay. Meron tayong eggplant and okra. For cold drinks, yung ating fresh apple juice. Nag-slice lang tayo ng apple at nag-add ng water. Blend natin at squeeze natin. Meron tayong neat hot drinks. Yung ating apple tea with fresh mint leaves. Masarap ang ating food guys. Fresh assorted fruits. Fresh banana, green grapes, and apple. Kain tayo guys. Ready to serve ng ating food. Luto na rin ng ating special paksiw na fish. So, marami tayong makakain ito guys. Masustansya at yummy ang ating food for breakfast. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And see you for my next vlog. Bye-bye. Ingat po.